Hi everyone, thought I'd make a quick little video to show you all the stuff that I'm going to be taking on the bike and how I'm going to pack it all into my bags, just in case anyone's curious or wondering how is he going to survive for 8 months on the road with all that stuff. So I've laid everything out on the bed and we can take a look. Right, so first thing we've got is just my casual clothes for off the bike. So I've got like a couple of shorts, a couple of t-shirts, some longer joggies, jumper, hat, scarf, gloves in case it gets colder. So I'm going to be packing that down in my back pannier and won't be using most of that until it gets into winter. Down here we have my electronics, so I've got my laptop to bring along to put together some videos, maybe write my blog, update the website. I've got two power banks to keep all of my stuff charged. I've got this hard drive to back up my stuff, speaker, travel adapter, socket thing, cables, phone, Kindle. There'll be a lot of time when I have some time to read. We've got the drone here, which I'm going to be careful using because there's some places where it's quite restricted. This thing's cool. I'll show you it here. Like a little solar panel that I can set up on the back of the bike, and then as I'm riding along through the desert I can be charging one of these power banks and having one of these power banks charging my phone as I'm going. So hopefully with this setup I'm not going to run out of power. And the last thing for electronics is this is a Wahoo Element. It's very kindly donated by Kieran Troughton, my good mate. This is the GPS that's going to be on the front of my bike to guide me home. Moving on, we've got my bike stuff. So we've got helmet, pump, flat tires, would come in handy. And here in this bag I've got basically all of my tools for using on the bike. I'm not going to open it because it'll get quite messy, probably. Lock, I got this lock, a little lock, and I got this one, the U-lock. I was thinking maybe I could use this to lock my bike and this to lock up the bags. Maybe, I don't know. I might just be carrying too much weight. I might get rid of one later, but it's good to have just in case just now. And then we have, flip this around again. We have the cycling clothes. So I've got my waterproofs here, and then a cycling jacket, 2 cycling jerseys, and 2 cycling shorts, and then like waterproof overshoes. Alright, now we'll have a look at my camping stuff. We got a sleeping pad, self-inflating, so you just unroll it and it just inflates itself, nice and comfy. A little ground sheet for the tent before I put it up. Sleeping bag is rated to 0 and it's ridiculously hot here just now, but I've just heard that they're going to have like one of the coldest winters recorded in like Xinjiang in Central Asia this year, so I guess it's good to have prepare for that. And my tent, nature hike cloud up 2. Super simple to set up. It's like semi freestanding, so like the fly sheet needs to be pegged out, but the actual tent just can stand, like I could pitch it anywhere, so that'll be pretty good. This little thing, this is my stove, pots, frying pan, everything all included in here, and I'll probably make another video later on showing you like exactly how all this stuff works. This is the fuel for the stove. This is like cooking stuff, so like oil, vinegar, salt and pepper, random stuff to cook with. A big old bag of oats and raisins and chia seeds. That's my breakfast. Just pour some milk in that. So that's me, that's everything I've got that I'm going to be taking with me. I'm going to be packing all this into my 4 panniers. So 2 on the back, 2 on the front, and then I've got a bigger kind of duffel bag that will sit over the back. Let's see if it all fits in. So I once heard for that every kind of backpacking trip or hiking trip, you should lay out everything that you think you need, and then cut it in half and take only that sort of stuff. And I think that saying's probably true for me because I think I'm grossly overpacked here. But that's it. That's all my stuff. If it's too heavy on the road and I'm finding it, I'm making super slow progress, I can just get rid of some stuff. But here we go. This is it. This is the 7 bags that I'm going to be taking with me on the road. So 2 big ones. These boys go on the back. 2 little ones. So got electronics, cooking stuff, clothes, tent and camping stuff. Then we've got kind of day-to-day stuff, toiletries, just like cycling clothes, daily clothes, stuff I'm going to use quite often in here because that's going to be more accessible. I've got this one here, it's got like my tools, and I can put my camel pack in here as well so I can easily get some water on the bike. And then I got this little thing here from a phone, wallet, and a battery pack. And then that's my gear for tomorrow, ready to go. I think that's us, ready. Only one thing left to do, get some sleep, and then hit the road tomorrow morning. So I'll see you all on the road.